Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about my new favorite snack. Now, I was going through the grocery store, popcorn's not really my thing, but I'm like looking for something that's somewhat healthier than what I usually eat, which is like potato chips or like tortilla chips and salsa. So I came across this Skinny Pop and it caught my eye. Now, I'm not normally a popcorn person, but this is so good. The regular and then the aged white cheddar cheese, which is awesome, by the way. So SKINNYPOP popcorn is somewhat like, better for you than like the microwave theater popcorn and stuff. It's like less fat and non-GMO, gluten-free, has no artificial ingredients. Perfect snack. There are 39 calories per cup. They are certified gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, CRC kosher, and the net weight is 4.4 ounces or 125 grams. You can see the back panel for nutritional information. And best by March 19th, 2019. So let's flip over, check it out. Check it out while I'm dropping some popcorn. Oh well, I guess that just means I have to eat it. And you can hear how crunchy it is. I can't open this bag without like eating half of it. So it has no artificial ingredients, just reiterating that on the back. They are non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, preservative-free, no artificial flavors, 0 trans fat, a good source of fiber, and delicious. Nutrition facts. Serving size is about 3 3/4 cups or 28 grams. Servings per container about 4.5. Calories 150, calories from fat 90, total fat 10 grams, saturated fat 1 gram, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 3.5 grams, monounsaturated fat 5.5 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 75 milligrams, total carbohydrate 15 grams, dietary fiber 3 grams, insoluble fiber 3 grams, sugars 0 grams, protein 2 grams, vitamin A 0%, calcium 0%, vitamin C 0%, iron 4%. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calorie needs. And then it just tells you a little bit more there. Ingredients: popcorn, sunflower oil, and salt. That's all, nothing more, nothing less. Pure Pop's perfection. There's the barcode on the back. They are certified gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, kosher again, certified vegan, which is nice, dairy-free, and 100% whole grain, 18 grams or more per serving, eat 48 grams or more of whole grains daily. SKINNYPOP popcorn. We believe in snacking without compromise. To us, that means using the fewest, cleanest, and simplest ingredients possible to bring you the best tasting popcorn. That's the Skinny. SKINNYPOP Popcorn LLC, Chicago, Illinois. Website is skinnypop.com, and that's the phone number. Pop Skinny in the USA. And they're on social media. So, open it up. This is what it looks like. Of course, this is like half the bag is empty now. But you can see the size they are. They're great for snacking. You give this to your kids and not feel guilty about it because they don't have a lot of ingredients or preservatives. And they're, of course, really yummy. And the best by date is through March. I think it stays better longer because they're not made with dairy and they're vegan. So that extends the shelf life a little bit. But this is great to put out if you're having guests over in your house too. And they make all these different varieties. They have microwave popcorn, popcorn cakes. Like I said, they have the aged white cheddar one, which is really good. That one's my favorite. This was SKINNYPOP popcorn. This is just the original one. Great for people with gluten allergy as well. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try out some SKINNYPOP popcorn soon. Thanks for watching.